This 2005 Ford Focus is being offered by Gordy Boucher Ford Lincoln Mercury Janesville at a low price of $10,495. Cash for your clunker. This month at Gordy Boucher Ford Lincoln Mercury Mazda of Janesville, we are offering $500 in minimum trade allowance for your clunker toward the purchase of any pre-owned vehicle in stock. Regardless of year, mileage, condition, you get a minimum of $500 in trade allowance. Sale prices include the cash for your clunker trade allowance. Not valid on prior sales or with any other offer. One $500 minimum allowance trade per vehicle purchased. For more information, click the link to the right or call our phone number. Another fine car offered by Gordy Boucher Ford Lincoln Mercury Janesville. We will ship this car anywhere in the U.S.